Hello, student. Today we are going to make an adult's face. So let's see what do we have in our book. Well, I'm very excited for today's activity. Here we see faces which are actually facing towards left and right. And yes, we see multiple steps right here. So let's follow all of them and start making the face. At first, we will make a circle. Yes, a big circle so that the face is big as well. After that, we will get the center point by making a standing line and a sleeping line. And then we'll make an extension at the bottom right here. Once we are done with that, let's make the ear over here and the hair section. Let's make the eyebrow right above the sleeping line. And then the eyes below right here. And after that, let's make a curve for the nose and then the mouth. This looks very interesting. Continue by making the neck and then erase all the extra parts. Let's make this a little darker so that we know which is the fair part. I'm very excited to make this entire drawing. Can we make the hair properly and then connect the ears to that? After that, let's make this jawline, which is connecting to the lips. Continue making the nose and then the neck. Well, yes, erase all the pencil marks which are not required. Complete making the eyes in a proper way. This looks beautiful. Give an intricate detail to the ears as well. Once we are done with that, let's erase all the extra pencil marks. And then get going to the next one. We will follow the same steps, but this time let the girl face on the right side. Instead of a hair like a boy cut, let's make a cute little ponytail for her. And then the fringes in front. Let's make the nose and the lips properly and connect it to the chin and the jawline. In a similar way, continue making the eyebrow on the top of the line and the eyes below it. Give the ponytail a nice finishing touch up. And then make the hair properly. This looks great. Make the hair strands inside right here. And then erase all the extra parts. If you notice, we have actually made the extra parts lighter so that it was easier for us to erase it. The next thing we do is start by making the hair and the entire structure with the help of our sketch pen. can we make this together? That would be lovely. Go very slow and do not make any mistake while sketching. Yes, or else we will not be able to erase it. Continue with the eyes and the eyeball. That's brilliant. Let's go ahead with this girl now. Yes, make all the details very nicely. Let's go ahead with the eyes slowly and make the eyelash on the other side as well. This looks lovely. Let's erase all the pencil marks now. And then start coloring this with skin color. Let's go very slow while coloring this, and also make sure that you're doing the outline first and then coloring inside. Press the color hard on top of the paper so that we do not leave any white spaces. Once you're done with the outline, color only in one direction. This looks beautiful. Let's color the same color for the girl as well. Yes, just like this. The next thing we do is make these hair strands for the guy. We can make it with a dark grey color. Yes, so that it stands out. After that, let's do black color on top of it. Again, we will be doing the outline first and then coloring inside. Outlining is very important as it helps us make our drawing look neat and clean. Also, it helps us in not going out of the shape. The next thing we do is start coloring this. Yes, we can color it right on top of the grey marks we've made. This looks very interesting, isn't it? For the girl's hair, we are going to use black and brown. So let's make these parts black and then blend brown with it. Yes, let's take a darker brown so that it looks natural. This looks great. Continue doing the ponytail in a similar way. For the rubber band, we can use mint green and make these lines and then use a darker green on top of it. And then we can use red or pink color for the lips. For the eyes, let's use grey color. This looks lovely.